All right, so here's an extra example for 5-1, number 42. It says you have 2 points, 2, 4, and x8. Yeah, that's a point, right? But it gives you the slope of 2. So you got to find that x. So what you're going to do is, you know the following formula. You know that m, slope, right, is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you're going to substitute everything you do know in for that. So in other words, you're going to take, we'll call this point 1 and this point 2, and you're going to substitute what you do know. In this case, I know the slope is negative 2, and I know that y2 is going to be 8, and y1 is going to be 4, and I know that x2 rather, is going to be x, and x1 is going to be 2. So that you've got negative 2 equals 8 minus 4 all over x minus 2. You're asking, okay, how do I solve that? Well, I'll give you a hint. Put a 1 under the 2, some cross multiplication fun, right, which we've had lots of practice with, and solve that. I'm not going to actually solve it for you, but again, here's the setup for ones like number 42.